Welcome to our channel Golden Television Official. Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the fascinating process of air cooler manufacturing in Pakistan. From the careful selection of materials to the rigorous testing and widespread distribution, it's more intricate than you'd imagine. Stay tuned as we unearth the captivating world of air cooler. In the heart of Pakistan, a country known for its intense heat, lies some of the most efficient factories producing these cooling machines. The process begins with the selection of the right materials. High-quality plastic and metal, often aluminum or steel, are sourced and tested for durability and performance. It's crucial that these materials can withstand the pressures of both heat and cold, as well as the constant flow of water. The next step is the molding and shaping of these materials. The plastic is heated and poured into molds to create the outer casing of the air cooler. Simultaneously, metal sheets are cut and bent into the necessary shapes for the internal components. This includes the fan blades, the water tank, and the cooling pads. Once the individual components are ready, it's time for assembly. The cooling pads are inserted first, followed by the water tank. The fan blades are then installed and the entire unit is sealed within the plastic casing. Each air cooler is then wired and fitted with a motor to power the fan. But the process doesn't stop there. Each air cooler then undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it is functioning correctly. This includes checking for any leaks, testing the fan's speed, and verifying that the cooling function is working as expected. Finally, the air coolers are packaged and prepared for shipping. They are wrapped carefully to prevent any damage during transit and then loaded onto trucks to be distributed across the country and beyond. In summary, the manufacturing process of air coolers involves several key steps. Beginning with the selection of high-quality materials, the process involves molding and shaping components, assembling the unit, rigorous testing, and finally, packaging for distribution. This intricate process is a testament to the ingenuity and hard work that goes into creating these essential machines. The next time you switch on your air cooler to beat the heat, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process and the skilled hands that helped to bring it to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating process of air cooler manufacturing. Stay cool, everyone! If you've enjoyed this fascinating journey behind the scenes into the world of air cooler manufacturing, don't keep it to yourself. Help spread the coolness. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and share it with your friends, family, or anyone else who might appreciate the intricate processes and dedicated craftsmanship that go into making these essential machines. By doing so, you're not just supporting us, but also the skilled workers whose hard work helps us all stay cool. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Stay cool, everyone, and remember to share the coolness.